Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Sure, what's up?
I have been thinking about getting my tattoo removed.
Oh, really? What made you decide that?
I just feel like it doesn't represent me anymore, and I'm ready for a change.
I understand. Have you looked into the removal process?
Yeah, I've been doing some research. It seems like laser removal is the best option, but it's going to take some time and money.
It's definitely a commitment, but if it will make you feel better in the end, it might be worth it.
That's what I'm hoping for. Thanks for understanding.
Of course, I'm here to support you through it. Let me know if you need anything.
Hey, I finally went for my first session of tattoo removal yesterday.
Oh, nice. So, how did it go?
It was intense. The laser pulses were quite painful, but bearable.
I have heard it can be quite uncomfortable. Did you notice any immediate changes?
Surprisingly, yes, the tattoo already looks a bit lighter after just one session.
That's great to hear. How many sessions do you think you will need?
The technician said it could take several sessions to completely remove it, so I'm prepared for the long haul.
Well, I'm glad you're taking steps to get it removed if it's what you want. Let me know if you need anything during the process.
Thanks, I appreciate it. It's nice to have supportive friends like you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe to our channel.